Hi everybody, this is the lecture 1 for week 1. Okay, in this lecture I just want to explain about the course outline. I don't want to start lecture for topic 1 because I think there are still students who are not registered yet. So this week and next week is the registration period. So I think there are students that will register in this group, and also maybe there are some students will exit this group. So I will start this first lecture for this week with explaining about the course outline. Okay, this is the course outline. I have shared the course outline in our WhatsApp group, and I think I have shared this course outline also in the Putra Blast, so you can get the soft copy. So the name of the course is Accounting and Financial Information. Like I said earlier, this course is about the introduction to accounting. Maybe some students have done accounting course before, so this is not new for them. But some students are doing this course for the first time. They do the accounting course for the first time, so they have to give more effort. They have to be a hardworking student, so that they can master the topic that we have in this course. Okay, the course code is ACT3110. Credit hours is 3. So every week we have 3 hours lecture. The total student learning hours is 120. So this is important, learning outcomes. So learning outcomes are the things that you have to get at the end of the semester. So by taking this course, the things that you will get is, first, identify the component of accounting principles and financial statements. So hopefully you will get that. Second one, explain the cost concept, profits and budget. Number 3 is apply the financial information for planning, controlling, performance, appraisal, and decision making. So basically, at the end of the semester, you will know what is the basic things that an accountant will do, and also you will know the basic way of doing or making accounting record for a business, a small business.